welcome. Today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Motorola Moto G22. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen recorder button. For example, I don't have this button here, so press to pencil to add this button. So scroll down, find this button on this block, screen recorder. Here we got. So, and now for edit this button, press and hold and drag to top. And I'm at this button to top navigation bar. So click back to save and now press start record, and here we got option record audio. When we press on this option, you got device audio option, microphone, or device audio and microphone. So for example, I wanna device audio and microphone, and here I've got switcher to turn on this option or turn off this option. For example, if I wanna mute video without any sound, so turn off this option and press start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.